Avnish, what are you doing? I'm just playing with the water. It's fun to see how it moves from one glass to another. Yes, you are right. It is fun to watch. But did you notice one thing? What, Avnish? Why does water move like this, but your blocks stay still? That's a good question. I never thought about it. Let's ask Mom and Dad. Mom, Dad, why does water move when I pour it, but blocks just stay in place?
Great question, Kushi. What you are noticing are the different states of matter. Everything around us is made of matter, and matter exists in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas.
That's right. Let's start by talking about solids.
Kushi's blocks are also solids. Look, this book is an example of a solid. Solids have a definite shape and volume. They don't change shape unless you apply force to them.
So, is anything that has a definite shape and volume a solid?
Exactly, Avnish. Like your pencil, eraser, and your school bag. Now, let's talk about liquids.
Liquids, like the water you are pouring, do not have a fixed shape but take the shape of the container they are poured into.
So, juices, milk, and even the water in the ocean are all liquids.
Yes, Kushi, and because liquids flow, they can be easily transferred from one container to another.
Now let's talk about gases. This balloon is filled with air, which is gas. Gases do not have a definite shape or size and do not occupy a definite space.
The particles in gases are spread out and move very quickly. That's why you can't see any gas and can fill up the entire space of the container, like this balloon or the air in this room.
So, when we breathe, we are taking in gases?
Yes, Avnish. The air we breathe is a mixture of gases, mainly oxygen and nitrogen.
Now let's talk about how matters can change from one state to another. This is called a change of forms. The process in which a solid turns into liquid on heating is called melting. For example, when ice melts, it turns into water.
And if we cool the water enough, will it turn into solid?
Yes, it will. If you cool the water enough, it will freeze back into ice. The process in which a liquid turns into a solid on cooling is called freezing.
Then a liquid turns into a gas on heating. What is that called?
We call it evaporation.
How does a gas turn into a liquid?
Great question, Avnish. When a gas turns into liquid on cooling, it is called condensation.
That was so great! We know how the water freezes into ice, melts back into water, and then turns into steam. Yeah, it's amazing how matter can change forms. I never knew solids, liquids, and gases were so interesting.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Understanding the different states of matter helps us understand the world around us.
And now, whenever you see ice melting, water boiling, or steam rising, you'll know exactly what's happening.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. That was a fun science lesson. Yeah, and I can't wait to learn more about how things work.
There's always scope to learn new things every day, and science is full of exciting discoveries.
And we're always here to explore and learn with you.